Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLS. Glimmering details, expert aerodynamics, and a richly cultivated interior set the next level of standards for luxury SUVs. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,